on, my YouTubers? Just finished creating my dirt bike engine work stand. And as you can see, it can rotate the crankcase any way you need to fiddle with it, clean it, install things, split the cases while it's mounted on it. You know, if I had both cases together, you could split the cases sitting right there. Inspect certain things. I even added a little prop for a service manual or an iPad or your mobile device if you need to refer to things, you know, while you're working on it. I mean, yeah, you could install this stand by Motorsport Products on any workbench, and it works fabulous. But sometimes you don't have a lot of vacant workbench space, and I already had this pretty awesome mechanic stand, you know, little mechanics cart. This little guy here, rolling mechanics cart that I can stash parts and tools on. You know, it just works really well. I like inventing things and creating ways to work on stuff whenever I can. Even can sit right here on my little stool. Got the little rack for, you know, T-handles right here, you know, so you can mess with stuff. I like it, man. I like it. You know, so you can refer to stuff while you're sitting right here. I really like it. And I'll put links below. You know, anyone can buy this engine stand right here, and it's really great. Also, the little mechanics cart. It's a pretty common item. You know, you can get these pretty much anywhere, but I'll put links below on where I got them. And as far as other basic tools and things, you know, that you need to have, you know, when you're working on a crankcase or bottom end or top end for that matter, you know, you could use this while the top end is installed too. So you can, you know, just access everything real nice. And, you know, what can I say? I'm thoroughly pleased with myself. Alright, we've been making a few little improvements and adjustments to our fabulous engine workstation. We have now added a magnetic tool holder underneath, so you can stick any tool you need down there to keep them out of your little work area if you need to. Also a magnetic paper towel holder, T-handle racks, magnetic flashlight, a page prop that could be for a service manual or your iPad or your device or whatever, so you can look at, you know, service manual info or YouTube info while you're trying to work, or for entertainment, whatever. On this awesome little mechanics rolling cart. A lot of magnetic stuff, magnetic little parts tray there. Thoroughly happy, man. Been messing with this thing, you know, for most of the afternoon just to get it right, because I've got several bottom ends and I'm going to be doing the next few days. And I like this better than a regular, you know, workbench. And most of my workbenches are, you know, got too much going on with those areas anyway. So we got this right here, and it can be rolled around. You know, you can just, it's on wheels, so if you need to move it, roll it around. Fantastic. I really, really like it. And I know I've already said too much about it, but thoroughly pleased. You know, this part here can completely rotate 360 degrees. All I have to do is pull this lever here, and you can tilt it however you need, up, down. You just unscrew this to pull it off. You can pull it off, flip it around if you needed to put it in another configuration, because it's obviously upside down right now, the case is. But yeah, man, my own little invention here, a engine workstation. I'll post links to stuff that I have here that you can do. Now, as far as the page prop, I kind of created that out of a little music stand kind of thing. So you'd have to just come up with something to do that. But everything else, the actual stand itself, I'll put a link to that. The little mechanic stand or cart, put a link to that. Your T-handle racks and T-handle sets, I'll put links to those. You know, it's just anytime you can just do something to make your workspace better, more comfortable, better lit, you know, just all that good stuff, more inventive, ingenious, however you want to call it. It makes you want to work on stuff instead of not. You know, sometimes you just get to a project and you're like, oh, I am so not feeling it today. You know, whatever, you're just not motivated. Where if you got something that just does the job for you, you are motivated. And I have been on a tear all day today, just doing all kinds of things and stuff not even relating to this little setup, but sometimes you just get totally motivated to do things and make stuff and, you know, just improve your life, so to speak. Anyway, that's it. I'll put links to everything you see that can be bought easily. And that's that. Biker Dave, Horsepower House, being an inventor today. So y'all have a great day. See our other videos. We got all kinds of stuff y'all will like. Y'all have a good one. See ya.